In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an incredible AI shopping assistant tool called Vetted. If you ever struggled with finding the best products or digging through countless reviews, this tool is going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. Vetted is an AI-driven shopping assistant that helps you find the best products online based on your specific needs. It acts like a chatbot, but does a deep dive into reviews, Reddit threads, and articles to give you accurate recommendations. Not only does it save time by summarizing reviews, but it also shows you the best price to buy, price histories, and more. Let me show you how it works. To get started, simply type in a product category or specific item you're looking for. Let's say I want to find the best noise cancelling headphones. Just type in best noise cancelling headphones, and Vetted will do its work. It goes through Reddit threads, product reviews, and other articles to pull data. It will pick the best products and tell you where to buy them. So what makes Vetted so special? Here's the key features you should know. Vetted pulls data from multiple sources. Another amazing feature is the price history tracker. Vetted shows you the product's pricing over time, so you know if you're getting a good deal. And of course, once you found what you're looking for, you can instantly buy the product using the links provided. If you're looking for something in particular, like budget headphones or best coffee machines under $200, the more specific your prompt, the better the results. Always check the price history before buying. You might find that the product was cheaper a few months ago, and it's worth waiting for the price to drop again. If you're outside the US, you can change the country and currency, so you'll always get recommendations tailored to where you are. Sometimes the product links may be outdated or unavailable in your country. If that happens, just copy the product name and search it in your local Amazon or e-commerce store.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.